Hello everybody. Today I'm going to tell you about rapid typing software. This particular software, which is available free of cost, you have to just download it on your system. Memory requirement or hard disk space is very less, and you can install this application and run it. So once you install it on your computer, you will find an icon, a dolphin or fish you will find over there. You have to just open it. If you have set some password, then this particular window will be appear. If you're not going to create any account or password, then you will not find this particular screen. We can create many accounts, like there are two people in one family, then they can create different account for different person. So remember, when we are creating many accounts, only one person is the administrator, the rest are the other account holders. So administrator having a right for lesson editor, but other account holders do not have the right of lesson editor. Later on we are going to discuss about lesson editor. So here we are going to click on login. There is nothing as a password. Now this is your rapid typing application window. Above that is your taskbar. Right now it is appearing in gray color, but you can select different themes and make changes in this color. You can see over here it is specify rapid typing 5.3. This is Control O, that is a shortcut key. This is your setting button where we are having various options. We can change the keyboard, we can change the background color and text color, we can change the font, we can change the sound. Whenever we start typing, a sound starts appearing. So which type of sound file should be there, that you can see the title taskbar, which is appear in gray color. We want to change this color, we can select theme in that way. We are having certain shortcut keys. Right now we are using English. Everything is appear in English. It may possible that you can select some other language. So whatever things you can see in this application, now that will be appear in the same language. Now we are having help. There is a certain pages, some description about this tutorial is given. If anyone wants, then he can click on help. We are having two options, logout and exit. If you have created an account, then you can click on logout. Otherwise, either you can click on exit or you can click on close from the taskbar. Remember, the top bar is known as taskbar. Minimize, restore and close buttons, these are on the right side of the taskbar. Now come to the left side of this taskbar. You will find three buttons. The very first one, current lesson. You can see whatever is visible over here, that is our current lesson. Shortcut key is Control 1. This is known as statistics. When we complete many lessons, then we can check the detail of any particular lesson. If we click on statistics window, you can see over here a numeric pad lesson 2. On the left side, you can see the accounts. One administrator with LPC and others with students. Now on the center you can see the two important aspects of rapid typing, that is accuracy and speed, which is shown over here. On the right side you can see the numeric pad, that is a section. In this particular software there are certain courses: introductory, beginner, advanced, expert, and in every course we are having one section or two sections, and within sections we are having many lessons. So if we want to come back to the current lesson, we can click on this button. So this is a statistic. Control 2, that is a shortcut key by which we can open it. Now this is our lesson editor. Certain lessons are given in this particular tutorial, but if you like, you can add from your side. Like this is the one introductory, which is open, but other courses are like beginner, experience, advanced and testing. You can also include courses from your side, and each course like introductory course, and there are certain sections are there like basic, shift key, digits, and numeric pair. If we select any particular section, then we can see the different lessons in that particular section. Further, you can see that these lessons are ticked with different colors. That means if it is green in color, that means you have successfully completed that lesson. Otherwise, you must repeat such lessons if it is in appearance red color or orange color. So you can click over here any lesson and start working, but generally you have to move in a sequential manner. Lesson 1, then lesson 2, then lesson 3. Once you complete lesson 9, then you can move to the second section, that is shift keys, then digits, and then numeric pair. Then you are going to change your course level from introductory to beginner. Now above this you can see speed. Whenever we are typing, we are measuring the speed. So it may be in minutes or it may be in seconds. Further, it can be word, character, or keystroke. So it may be word per second, character per second, keystroke per second. Or we can also define as word per minute, character per minute, or keystroke per minute. So whichever unit you want, you can select it from the drop down list. So as you click any option, that will be now visible on this bar. Now on the left side of this, there is a one triangle, a button that help us to pause or restart our lesson in between whenever we want. This shows the accuracy, and this is our lesson time. Remember, lesson time can be either in remaining time or elapsed time. Elapsed time means whatever time is left for completing a particular lesson, or whatever time you have completed, and remaining time means whatever time is left to complete this lesson. Every lesson, whenever it is started, you will find a clock start running, and a specified time is allocated for every lesson. So this is your text panel in the center, where you will find your text is there. Just now I have started the lesson, so you just see the text are appeared. So if you click on a particular lesson, you will find initially you will find alphabets, then you will find words, and advanced you will find a paragraph is there. So let me start one lesson. So you can select any of the course, and once you select a course, then you can select section, and further you can select a lesson. So like first lesson I have selected. As you click any one of the keys, you will find that your lesson starts running. The very first character that we have to type, with our keyboard. There is a one virtual keyboard is there. There is a center bar which actually indicates which key you have to press by which particular key. So some instructions are given over here, like put your finger in the base position F and J. So whenever we have to keep our fingers, we have to first of all identify where is F and J, and we have to keep our index finger of left hand as well as right hand on these two keys. Then automatically remaining fingers adjust itself on the home row key. Now you can see the statement start by pressing any key. If we click any key in the keyboard, our lesson will start. So this is the one keyboard, and you can see that it is very colorful, but these colors are having some significance. All such keys which are of same color, you have to press all such keys by one finger. So you can see that in the home row key, above and below as well, there are certain keys which are appearance same color. That means you have to use one finger or same finger for all such keys with same color. And whenever you type, you will find that one of the finger is